Hi, Tasha Zeddy here, and I have a great home for you to tour today. We are located at 100 East Cardinal Court in Allyn, and this house is great. It's one-story living, almost 2,300 square feet on a large lot with vaulted ceilings and a nice open floor plan. Let's take a look. This great home is located on a quiet street of beautiful homes. It's within walking distance to North Mason schools, and it's going to be listed at $425,000. If you would like more information, feel free to give me a call today. Tasha Zeddy, RE/MAX Connect, 360-509-6607, or you can send me an email at tashaz@remax.net. Thanks for watching and have a great day.